MUHUNJIA Paul Mackenzie, mutumia wake RHODA MUMBUA na ARUNA ake 16 makinyirio igoti-ini ria SHANZU kiroko kia umuthi. Igoti rigitanyo kuruta mwerekera wa kana ni meguthie nambere na kuhingirwo kurumirira ihoya ria mwena wa thitango. Na riria makinyirio igoti-ini amwe mauma ahinyiririku mwena wa thitango gitariria thina uyu umanite nao kungathiria kuria kuma tariki 4 mweri-ini uyu makihoya igoti rithingatithie ugima wao wa mwiri mbere ya matete mioyo.
Sasa wakawa wanasema isipokuwa frustrations zingine zilichangia kwa yale ambayo yanaonekana kule sasa. Wanakubali kwamba wanaweza kukooperate lakini wasitolewe sisi. Wabaki kule na watakooperate.
Mawakiri a Mackenzie na ARUNA ake matogoretio ni Wycliffe Makasembo merire igoti KWIYEHERIA matikoretwo makiheo irio na mai o udomwe na indo ingi cia bata.
Basically they are not eating or drinking anything since the 4th of June. Today is 14th of June, it's 10 days now, without food or drink.
Gushanio ya miario igoti-ini riri niricungireirie mawakiri eri a Pastor Paul Mackenzie KWIYEHERIA makira igoti makoretwo makihoroio na njira ya kuheo mikana. Oho makiuga matire na mwihoko wa kuona kihoto igoti-ini riri.
I took one heart to assist them, and at the same heart I am withdrawing my instructions representing them. It's quite unfortunate. I started very well from where it started, but where we are heading to, Your Honor, it will reach an issue of having threats and everything and showing mighty and power, then we will not do justice.
My friends are running away because they feel the state and the court are now running the show. We have no say, we're just mere spectators. Application after application, everything they say tukweni.
Agitekira KWIYEHERIA kwa mawakiri aya eri MUCIRITHANIA YUSUF Shikada niranire ni guthingatithia kihoto kuri miena yothe ciira-ini uyu na athana KWIYEHERIA makoro magithorimwo ni maabitha a ugima wa mwiri njera-ini ya Malindi na niguo gukurikana gitumi gia kwaga kuria na ripoti iheano igoti-ini riri.
They are granted leave to respond to court applications on record, and the court urges all parties to make it easy for these proceedings to be concluded. I have observed that some of the respondents appear unwell and weak. It is not really clear why they are in that state. However, I direct that the respondents who are visibly weak and frail be escorted to hospital for examination and treatment. And I further direct that medical reports on the said respondents be presented to court on the next date.
Makiria nao MUCIRITHANIA Shikada nioririe Pastor Paul Mackenzie na ARUNA ake metekere kunyitanira niguo gukinyaniria ihoto.
Zungumza na wenzako, kama kuna mtu ana changamoto zozote mueleze mawakili na watajua cha kufanya. Ukiona labda kuna kitu ulimweleza wakili na hajanieleza, inua mkono na unieleze. Ciira uyu ugacokereria igoti-ini riri tariki 21 mweri uyu handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombasa. Ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.